Smile, hello friends. So in this video, I'm with you the axis of reflection. In our body, we have four major axes. One is the vertical axis. This is the vertical axis which divides our body into left and right half. And this is the horizontal axis which divides our body in top and bottom. And this two diagonal axis. One is the right diagonal axis which is passing from right hand to the left leg. And there is another is a left diagonal axis which is passing from left hand to the right leg. How we can use these four axes in our practice? This may be compared with the fact that we can alter the television channel by manipulating the remote control towards the mirror on the opposite side of the television set. When there is a disease on the right, this is not reflected on the left, but when there is given a stimulus to the left, this is reflected by the left-right reflection axis onto the right, and the disease on the right gets cured. So how can we use this in correspondence system? So for example, we'll discuss left knee disease. So this is the in standing position, this is the correspondence point for left knee. In the left hand, this is the correspondence point for left knee. So we will discuss one by one each axis. See, for example, first we will discuss the vertical axis. See, vertical axis is passing in between two legs. This is straight line dividing the body into equal half, passes in between the two legs. So here, this is the two legs, in between two legs, this is the vertical axis. This is the vertical axis. And from the theory of reflection in mirror, we know the object distance is equal to the image distance. So if this is the object distance, this is the object distance, this will be the image distance. So image of this knee joint will come over here. So second number point is as per the vertical axis. This is as per vertical axis. Okay. So this distance is equal to this distance. Object distance is equal to image distance. So the image of this point will come on this finger. If this is the vertical line, imagine this is a mirror. So this object distance is equal to image distance. So image of this point will come over here, the second point. Okay, the second axis we will discuss the horizontal axis. The horizontal axis is passing, if this is the left leg, then it is passing in between left leg and left hand. Okay, it is passing in between left leg and left hand. So here the horizontal axis, we will use different color. The horizontal axis will pass from here. Okay, so here this is the object distance. If this is the object distance, the image distance will be like this. So this third point is as per the horizontal axis. As per horizontal axis. So imagine this blue line as a horizontal line as a mirror. So this point, the image of this object, this knee point will come on here, this point. So in left hand, correspond index finger as a left hand, on inner side, this we can treat as a left knee point also. And here on the outer side of the right leg, this point will also we can consider as a left knee point, as the vertical reflex axis, and this point number 3 point as horizontal axis. Now we will consider one axis. So first we will take this left axis. So left axis, left diagonal axis is passing from left hand to right leg, left hand to right leg, passing through left hand to right leg. So here we'll draw left hand to right leg, one axis. Say for example, this axis like this. Okay, so if we take this line as a left diagonal axis and the image of this object, see, image of this object will fall somewhere here. So we cannot use this axis, okay, because the image will not come on the correspondence system, the hand. So we have to use this line. So if we consider this line, then image of this will come over here. So this point is, this point as left diagonal axis. This point we will use this right hand in little finger, this point, outside point, we can be considered as left knee point on the basis of left diagonal axis. So again I am explaining you the left diagonal axis. See, in here the left diagonal axis is passing through left hand to right leg. This line is passing from through left hand to right leg. So here if we consider through right hand, see, vertical axis was passing, vertical axis is passing in between two legs. So here we have drawn this vertical axis in between two legs. Horizontal axis is passing between hand and leg, left hand and leg. So we have drawn in between left hand and leg. So it is in between left hand and leg. Okay, and this left diagonal axis is passing through left hand to right leg. So this we have drawn through left hand to right leg. So if this line we consider as a mirror, then the image of this point through this mirror will come here in space. So we cannot use this line. So we have to use right leg. We cannot use left hand, so we have to use right leg. So the image of left knee through this mirror will come on this finger in this point, not this side, it will come this side. So this point we will consider as left knee on the basis of left diagonal axis, left diagonal axis. Okay, now what will be, where will the point as a right diagonal axis? So right diagonal axis is passing from right hand to left leg. So right diagonal axis passing from this right hand to left leg. You can use the green color here. So left hand to right leg. Okay, so if we consider this as a mirror, this as a mirror, then this distance, the image will come somewhere here, so we cannot use it. So now for this, the image of this will come directly over here. So I'm deleting it and drawing it again for clear picture. See, if for left diagonal, right diagonal, the image distance for this will somewhere here, so we cannot use it. So image for, if now we have to consider this line as a mirror, so the image of this point will come over here. So this point we will consider as right diagonal axis. So these are the 5 points we can use. Okay, again drawing. See, if axis is over here, so image distance for this point will come over here. So this point is as vertical axis, and if you put the horizontal axis over here, so distance for this point will come over here. So this point as horizontal axis, and for diagonally, if we draw axis from left hand to right leg, then this distance of the point of this knee point will come over here. So we cannot use it. So as per this line, the point distance of this will come over here. So this point is as per left diagonal, from left hand to right hand leg. So this is left diagonal. As per right diagonal, the axis from right hand to left leg. So this distance, for this distance, the image will come over here. So we cannot use this line. So we have to use this line. So the image of this point will come over here. So this is right diagonal. The main thing is here in mirror, object distance is equal to image distance. So in this way, we can use the theory of reflex axis for knee point. In the same way, we can try to find, this is for standing position, we can try to find for sitting position also. Okay, smile, thanks.